Bailey Line 76/2T Silver Edition, 4 berth, 2 belted seats. What's the point of having the 2 berths, extra berths? Absolutely nothing.
Ah, it's not got fold up seats, no?
We shall look.
I'll have a look.
Right, 2020, 13,000 miles, last serviced at 10,000 miles. We have 2 owners, freshwater capacity.
93.5.
95.
It's the same tank as this one that you said was 93.5.
Waste. What'd you waste?
Oh, forgot now, 90.
95. In a previous video we did the Bailey.
Yeah.
And on the stat sheets
it says 90, you said 935 litres.
Yeah.
Which is 93.5.
93.5 we've got on that one, and we've got 94 litres.
Yeah.
But all of a sudden this one now has 95.
Which has got the identical tanks in it. So in future ignore our figures.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the Silver.
Our figures are purely for guidance.
Yeah. And 3,500, so you could drive it on a normal licence. What else do we want to know about it? That's about, oh, it's a big van this is, Kev. 7.57 metres.
Yeah.
Well, it might just be 5 metres. We haven't got a clue.
How can that only be 3.5 ton?
Cassette.
Oh, I don't know.
That's quite smart actually.
It is, you can
Don't you think?
keep your fluids and
You
everything.
show everybody.
Eh? You keep your fluids and everything in there, can't you?
Oh, good. Put your wellies in there as well.
Yeah.
And you do.
I like that idea.
I like that idea.
Keep your blue and your pink stuff in there, or
I do like that.
mind you, you've got a separate flush tank there, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Oh, hang on, he's off. Yeah. Bear with me, people.
You get the pink that you put in flush tanks, right? We're not a great lover of that for the simple reason it creates a black sludge and it clogs the pumps up. So
Well, you can't say that quick. Clogs the pumps up.
Clogs the pumps up. So I keep mine in a spray bottle and just spray. Yeah, just. We're forever changing pumps on them, aren't we? Tow bar, reverse camera, fixings for bike rack.
Storage.
Loads of storage. There.
Outside barbecue.
Got refillable gas.
Okay. I shall show it.
There we are, we've got a gas low system.
How's that work, Kev?
You go to a garage that has a gas pump, you can fill it up, it's half the price of bottle gas.
Flue.
Yep.
Outside power. I've just got a blue. It's a new little
plate,
game now, I've
20
decided.
20 plate, I'd say, yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Well done. Right. I'll tell you what I didn't do, Kev. Tell you what I didn't do.
Go on, what didn't you do?
Tell you about the engine. It's a 2.2.
160.
No step, is there, on these?
No. They are quite low entry anyway, aren't they?
Oh,
Fly screen.
This one's redoing, going back in properly, doesn't it?
Yeah. Might have had a dog or something, I don't know, or something's caught it, hasn't it?
Put that there, well, look at that. Oh, okay, Kev.
That's a bit different. Oh, that's different, isn't it?
So this is where your 4 berths coming from?
Yeah. Have we got 2 fold up travel seats?
No.
No?
No, water heaters there.
All right.
That comes out to make the bed.
Yeah.
That comes out to make the bed.
Yeah.
And then in a previous video, Kev got it completely wrong and said the pleasure battery was here when it wasn't. But on this one, it is there.
It is there.
On the other one, it wasn't.
It was simply there, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. What we got under there, Kev? Storage,
yeah.
basically. Again, what are Bailey renowned for?
Big cupboards. We've got a combined oven grill in this one, Jason. Didn't want the other one separate?
No, yeah, they're all separate. Nice tablet, Kev.
Yeah.
Nice surround, microwave,
Yep, 3-way fridge.
fridge, grill, oven.
Yeah, we've only got 3 burner hob on this, haven't we?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, like you say, combined.
Oh, that's the autograph though, that other one, and this is the...
Alliance, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Alliance SE. Yeah.
I like the 2 single beds.
Ooh. Yeah, I do. And you've got your favourite lifty uppy there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. All that storage under there, Kev.
Acres of it, isn't it?
And swiftly onto there. Ooh. I like how they store the tables there.
Yeah, yeah.
And there's your fresh water tank.
Yep.
Just put that down.
Which is quite good with your water tank internally like that for winter.
They are good, aren't they, the two?
Yeah. I'd like to have seen some separation, curtain or something.
Yeah. Is that where the tally goes or something? Oh, look what we've got up there.
Yeah, air conditioning.
Aircon.
Where's your tally point?
Okay. Here, Kev. Here.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. So, are you ready for this?
Yep.
I do like an end washroom.
It'd be very caravan-y. Yeah.
There you go, take it away, Kev.
There you go, just like your Bailey caravan, because you've got a good size. I mean, look at the size of this shower.
That's a great washroom, Kev, isn't it?
Hey,
Yeah.
good size shower, that.
Yeah, I'll just string this across as well.
Yeah, loads of storage there. Nice little wash basin. Nice little dressing area, really.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Got a mirror there as well.
Yeah, nice big mirror.
I do like that.
I like a separate shower.
Yeah, I do like that. It's a big van, Kev, isn't it?
It is.
It's a good size.
Yeah.
Good size.
It is a 4-berth, but you've only got 2 belted seats.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you've got your 2 beds there. Decent size, yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Your seats do swivel.
Yep.
As well. We've got reversing camera on there as well, media pack and everything. That's a great washroom.
Yeah.
I must admit, that's a really nice washroom.
These are very popular with the 2 singles.
Yeah.
Very popular.
They're a good touring van, Kev, aren't they?
Yeah.
You could literally live in this.
Yeah, it gives you a much bigger area, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you could.
Nice big skylight above the cab as well.
Oh, yeah.
We've got 3 skylights in here, haven't we?
Yeah, you got the one there, one there, one there. Is there one in the washroom?
Yep, little one up there in the
I
washroom.
love that mirror, you know.
Yeah.
I do like that. So there you have the Bailey. We've got the Truma heating, not the Aldi heating, Kev.
Yeah.
I've just noticed.
Oh, that's true.
So you've got the Truma Inet. We've got an aircon in it. Fly screen, blinds. So who's it going to suit? It's going to suit a couple. It's got to be a couple.
Yeah, it's got to be a couple.
Yeah, good touring van. You could wild camp in this as well, couldn't you? Because of that washroom.
Yeah.
That's the big difference. You've got a great big washroom. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Yeah, and we'll see you in another video.